I'm going to talk to you about something really very trivial. But before I do, run the intro. The family court is full. The family court is so full that the delay between hearings is running at months and months and months. Here we are in the summer of 2024. I'm not sure when you're watching this, but here we are in the summer of 2024, and we here at McKenzie Picave already have hearings in our diary for the first and second quarter of 2025. So 6 and 9 months away. That is how full the court is. So given that, why do people bring trivial matters into court? And more importantly, why does the court entertain those trivial matters? Let me give you an example. A client came to see me and they said, we've got a court order, we've got a child order. And as part of that child order, on a Friday, my son goes to football and he finishes football at 6 o'clock. Child order then says that at 6:30 the other parent collects him and has him for the weekend. That's how it works. All very straightforward, isn't it? The football club changed their times. Consequently, the football class lesson training session now doesn't finish until 7. So one parent says to the other parent, well, it doesn't finish till 7 now, which means handover will now have to be 7:30. Parent number 2, who is doing the picking up at 7:30 in order that they can have their children for the weekend, took that matter into court as an enforcement issue, because they said that the court order says 6:30 and the parent was making it 7:30 deliberately in order to mess up the contact order. That in itself is incredibly trivial. What is more bizarre is the fact that the family court accepted the enforcement application and actually allocated a hearing to that. And in the hearing, which was assisted by 3 magistrates, one parent said, well, the football club that my son goes to have just changed their times from a 6 o'clock finish to a 7 o'clock finish. So we've had to change handover times from 6:30 till 7:30. And the magistrate said, well, okay, well, if that's what the football club have done, there's not a great deal you can do about that. So they then turned to the other parent who says, yeah, but I'm not happy about that. And the magistrate said, well, it's out of this parent's control. It's the football club who've made the change. So why have you brought this matter to court? The matter was concluded. But admin time, allocation time, 3 magistrates, court time, an hour lost in a courtroom that could have been used for something serious, that could have been used for a child in distress, that could have been used for dealing with a financial matter that is impacting on children. Why is it that the family court is entertaining trivia? Why is it that there isn't an early determination for trivia where somebody sensible sits with an application and says, this doesn't need to come to court? We just need to write back to these people and advise them that they need to sort it out. Or even have some sort of low-level mediation that the court can engage in order to deal with it and sort it out. That matter should never have been in court. It was a waste of court time. It was a waste of taxpayers' money, and it denied the opportunity for a real case to come into that courtroom. See you next time.